In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make a couch in Blender. Let's begin. Add mesh plane. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, let's extrude this bad boy. To extrude it, you just press tab on the keyboard or click edit mode over here. Extrude it out a little bit. I have it on snap, so if the snap is bothering you, you can turn it off. It's blue, which means it's activated. If it's gray, it's not activated. So I'm going to turn it on for now, see how it goes. Alright. Let's use face. Select that face. Let's move it. Move that. Let's do that one. Click that face. Drag the arrow. So, just gonna try to make it. Okay, looks pretty good. Now, let's make it a little thicker here. Good. Next, let's subdivide it. To subdivide, Control R. Just wait till it looks like that. Click, and then just make the back of it right there. That looks so good. Extract. I'm sorry, extrude. Sorry, face mode. Face. Just select a face. Select that face. Extrude. Bring it up. Looking good. Now let's go to. Let's do Control R. Loop cut. Click that. Alright, that. Now let's do the face. Click the face. Extrude it up. Control R. Click. That. Face. Select the face. Bring it up. Having the snap tool is really helpful right now, by the way. It's snapping everything into increments by the grid. Let's make some feet. Control R. Loop cut. Just click on it. Let's move it over here. Face. Select. Extrude. Click. Extrude. Click. Drag it. Click. Drag it. Simple Minecraft couch. Finito bonito. Let's save it. File. Save. I don't see documents anywhere. Let's do the up arrow. Documents. There's my name. Double click. Select down there. Couch. Enter. And enter again. And Control S will save it frequently.